I'm Dr. Sharon Dickerson from Denver, Colorado, and I just completed the Advanced Microscope Ergonomics Training course in Charlotte, North Carolina with Dr. Linger and Juan Carlos from Panama. I would say it was well worth the time and effort to get out here and do this. My ability to go back home and start using my microscope went from 0 to 90 in just 2 days. So we had lots of hands-on training, great academics about the ergonomics, and it was very eye-opening and helpful. And I just can't thank the group enough for putting together such a great course.
Hi, my name is Kyle McCracken. I'm from Dallas, Texas. I'm here in Charlotte, North Carolina, doing a microscope training course with Dr. Bill Linger and Dr. Juan Carlos. Want to thank AMED and them specifically for a great hands-on course. There was someone available all weekend to show me how to use the microscope from start to finish. So I really appreciate the time and expertise that they were able to pass along. I think the ergonomics of everything, just how to get positioned and bring in the microscope to me rather than trying to go to the microscope. So the ergonomics, the doctor positioning, just getting the setup right, and then everything else flows from there.
My name is Jane Nye. I'm from Michigan. I came to the class to learn how to use a microscope for doing general dentistry. I'm a general dentist. And especially with endodontics and implant placement. And I was able to use the microscope to perform these procedures during this weekend and learn proper ergonomic positioning with the microscope. I've found that I feel much more comfortable and that my quality of work is going to be much higher because the precision of the microscope to do the work.
Romi Patel, and I'm from Canada. So we had a course with Dr. Bill and Dr. Carlo. It was a microscope course with for the endo course, and we really enjoyed the course. It was a very nice, like, small group course, like not having like a huge group with the 20-25 people. It was like very nicely oriented, like a focus on the microscope, like ergonomic posture and all that, and plus like endo with using microscope, and it was really nice, like informative course.
All right, well, I'm Dr. Paul Garcia from Columbus, Georgia. Had a good experience. You know, I've been to a lot of CE. I like CE, and so CE's been one of the favorite things that I do, and this one was really good. I learned, well, what I learned was that you know, about positioning and the different things like that, but one of my regrets is I didn't do this 20 or 30 years ago. So, but I recommend it. I think, you know, young guys that have a real interest in improving their dentistry, this has got to be the way to go.
Hey, this is Rutul Patel here. I'm from Canada, North Bay, Ontario, and I was here looking for a microscope course in ergonomics and step up my skills on endodontics, and I found this course, and I'm glad I found this course because it was so pleasure to meet Dr. Bill and Dr. Carlos over here. We went over through so much stuff in 2 days, and small group, fun group. We enjoyed a lot. Thank you.